Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is the NZD pair and this is uptrend market. Okay, very strong sellers entry. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a buyer's entry point. So it's breaking a level. So that's why reason I'm expecting to make a bullish candle, retracement candle. Okay. Okay, let's see some buyers enter the market. Okay, I have 10 seconds only. Okay, this is a winning trade. Check the next pair. It's also same pair. I'm expecting to make a bearish candle. Okay, I'm expecting to make a bearish candle after retracement. It's a gap down. So that's why reason I place a lower option. And this is a market momentum. Let's see. Okay, I have 5 seconds. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a buyer's entry point. But it's making a gap up opening. Sometimes or it's make a very strong candle. But this is a very strong buyer's enter the level. So some buyers try to make a bullish candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll place a lower option. So I'm expecting to make a bearish momentum. Previous candles are very strong enter the market, and this also very strong sellers entry. So there is no enter the buyers. So I'm expecting to make a bearish momentum. Let's see. This candle opening at this level confirmly it's make a bullish candle, but gap up opening again try to fill this gap, make a bearish candle. So that's why reason previously it's make a loss. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, after this candle I will try to place a trade. Why? Because previously some buyers are very strongly enter the market. You can see it's a buyer's entry, but sometimes it's make a bullish candle at this level. Sometimes are previously very strong sellers enter the market. It's continue the downtrend market. Okay. Okay, this is a marbuj candle. Still I will place a layer option. Okay, I will place a layer option. This is a momentum again. So I'm expecting maybe continue the momentum. And previous candle also make a very strong selling force. Let's make a new low. So next buyer's entry point it here. Let's see, we have 10 seconds only. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll try to recover this trade. Okay, I missed this chance. Okay, we'll wait for this candle. Let's make a Marubuji candle. This is a buyer's entry point. Next candle may be gap up or gap down opening. Okay. This is a buying force, this is a buying force, this is a buying force. Still continue the sellers very strongly. But any times enter the some buyers, make a bullish candle. This is a round number also. Okay. Very strong sellers entry. Okay, next candle I am expecting make a bullish candle. But next buyers entry point it here. There is no level at here. But there is a 50 chances. Okay, no problem, place a higher option. So after breakout I am expecting make a retracement candle. But still some sellers active in this market. Okay, we have 5 seconds only. Okay, enter the market. After this breakout, this is a Marbuji candle, so that's the reason I'll place a higher option. Let's make a retracement candle. Okay, I will place a 5 trades, all are winning trades. And I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.